Onti Mamidipalli village is situated in Inavole Mandal in Warangal district of Telangana state. The village has 3,500 acres of agricultural land and all the farmers depend on local water resources for cultivation, resulting in low yields in the past few years. Through Bala Vikas's intervention, the farmers desilted the Elama Cheruvu and used the excavated soil to increase the productivity. They realized the harmful effects of chemical fertilizers and pesticides that degrade the soil fertility and the environment, and importance of organic farming. In 2012, 15 farmers from Onti Mamidipalli village started organic farming with 0.5 acres of land per person, and within next 6 months they increased the cultivation to 1 acre. They formed 2 women groups consisting of 25 members and 4 men groups consisting of 10 to 16 members for practicing organic farming. The total land cultivated under organic farming is now 100 acres to 115 acres, and they are cultivating variety of crops such as paddy, turmeric, cotton, maize, chili, nuts and vegetables like tomato, ladyfingers, cluster beans and chickpea. Using indigenous knowledge, the organic farmers have prepared organic manures on their own, such as Ghan Jiva Amritam and Neemastram. Ghan Jiva Amritam. The ingredients used in the preparation of Ghan Jiva Amritam are easily available at each household and require no additional cost. Ghan Jiva Amritam preparation requires 2 bags of cow shed waste, 1 kilogram unsprayed soil, 1 kilogram pulse flour, 3 to 4 kilograms neem paste, 1 kilogram jaggery and 5 liters of animal urine. All these inputs are mixed thoroughly and kept for 48 hours without disturbing. The jaggery gives the energy to the soil and activates the crop. The animal urine increases micropopulation in the soil and eliminates fungus. Preparation of Ghan Jiva Amritam takes 4 to 5 days. Neemastram. Preparation of organic pesticide requires 10 liters of water, 2 kilograms neem paste, 2 to 3 kilograms of cow dung and 2 to 3 liters of cow urine. Since all these ingredients are easily available, almost all the farmers prepare it in their households. The farmers of the village formed Onti Mamidipalli Cooperative Marketing and Credit Society with a strength of 253 members. Every month, each member has to deposit ₹100 as savings, and the current balance in the society is ₹5 lakh. This society provides loans to members for minimum interest. Farmers have been taking organic certification by ₹300 per acre and selling their products in local markets and keeping part of the production for self-consumption. By practicing organic farming, they are earning more profits now for both Kharif and Rabi seasons. Though initially the farmers were hesitant in adopting organic farming, through Bala Vikas' intervention and motivation, after a successful pilot test, an attitudinal change was brought in. Now, farmers are able to enjoy high yields and directly sell their products to Big Basket.